Welcome to Trackwell's video on MVC train personnel safety. On screen 1 you can see an evacuation of a field worker being complete within the internal confines of an MVC train. On screen 2 you can see the outside view of the MVC train and surrounding oilfield facility. On screen 3 you can see the beginning of a search and rescue for a missing person suspected to be within the confines of the MVC train. These videos will continue to loop as we discuss the complexities of personnel safety within mechanical vapor compression trains and other oil field facilities. MVC trains commonly contain many potential leak paths. In and around trains there is low-lying pipe where staff can perform maintenance, instruments can be installed and insulation removed. MVC trains are maintained several times throughout the year, and require a very careful process to assure maintenance is performed safely. This includes depressurization, purging, steaming, and the installation of blinds. Blinds, for example, are installed to isolate workers from risk. The preparation activities intended to reduce the risk of personnel working on trains, and the maintenance activities themselves, or pose a considerable safety risk to the staff on site. Sour gas exposure, falls from height, slips and trips, and other safety hazards, are all very possible when performing work on an MVC train. The goal of any HSSE department is to mitigate these safety hazards, both through proactive and reactive processes. Proactive processes that prevent the hazards from actually occurring commonly include assuring the correct use of relevant personal protective equipment and appropriate safety training. Whereas reactive processes are commonly associated with what to do when a hazardous event actually occurs. These reactive processes can include muster and evacuation procedures, appropriate personal protective equipment, and similarly, relevant safety training. Trackwell's Safety Cloud solution is an end-to-end HSSE solution that manages training, credential verification, and access control. Also, Trackwell's digital canopy product lines enhance emergency responders' abilities to perform search and rescue activities. Trackwell's Safety Cloud platform enhances preventive or proactive processes by providing automated course registration and on-site facility verification. Its digital canopy products, which include sophisticated global positioning and telemetry technologies, enhance search and rescue capabilities. This improved understanding of man-and location, and a more comprehensive visibility of a particular incident, can aid emergency responders greatly. Its Safety Cloud platform combines RFID and wireless infrastructure technology to enable user credentials to be validated through either a mobile tablet device carried by HSE staff, or through automated fixed wireless infrastructure. This ultimately means that using Trackwell's Safety Cloud platform significantly enhances the ability to assure personnel have relevant safety credentials, not just historically, but as they enter a work zone, thereby improving the control processes designed to assure a safe work environment. Whereas the digital canopy products, like global positioning systems and telemetry technologies, reduce search and rescue time and provide important sensory information on an incident, reducing the risk of not only the man-down personnel, but also those of the emergency responders. During the search activity, as seen on screen 3, the location of emergency responders, relative to the man-downed, is being assessed and used to provide dispatch details, improving the time it takes to find the man-downed individual. In addition, telemetry information is being used to determine various details of the hazard, including if the man-downed had been exposed to sour gas, or if they have fallen from height. All measured through onboard telemetry sensors carried by the man-down. Trackwell Group is a world-class solution provider of digital oilfield technologies for the upstream, midstream, and downstream sectors of the oil and gas industry. The company's goal is to solve the unique safety and logistical challenges of the oil field. Cloud-hosted enterprise systems for data management, wireless sensor networks for oil field visibility, digital health and safety credential verification systems, unmanned aerial vehicles for pipeline inspection, and augmented and virtual reality platforms for training and in-field inspection. These are some of the technologies that customers of Trackwell Group are using today. Visit our website at www.trackwellgroup.com for more information.